When everyone panics, the rich go shopping. Most people see recessions as economic disasters, job losses, market crashes, businesses shutting down. But wealthy investors often see something completely different. They see discounts, opportunities, and chances to acquire assets for pennies on the dollar. Throughout history, some of the world's largest fortunes were built during economic downturns. So why do the rich seem excited when everyone else is afraid? Today, we're uncovering the strategy that turns economic fear into financial opportunity. Imagine seeing your investment portfolio down 30%. News channels scream, markets are collapsing, recession fears intensify. The average person reacts emotionally. They sell, they panic, they stop investing. Psychologists call this loss aversion. Research shows people feel the pain of losing money roughly twice as strongly as the pleasure of gaining it. This emotional reaction creates a massive opportunity because markets don't just reflect economic reality, they reflect human psychology, and psychology often overreacts. Warren Buffett once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." Simple, but incredibly difficult. When markets crash, assets become cheaper. Stocks, real estate, businesses. The wealthy understand that price and value are not the same thing. Let's travel back to 2008, banks collapsing, housing market imploding. Most investors ran away, but some of the world's richest investors moved. And while fear dominated headlines, smart money accumulated assets. Within a decade, many of those investments multiplied several times over. The rich don't wait for recessions, they prepare before them. They build cash reserves, reduce unnecessary debt, maintain liquidity. Wealthy investors understand that cash is not just money, it's optionality, it's flexibility, it's power. March 2020, global panic, lockdowns, uncertainty everywhere. Markets experienced one of the fastest crashes in history. Many investors sold at the bottom, yet some investors aggressively bought technology stocks, index funds. Within months, markets rebounded dramatically. Once again, fear created opportunity. Imagine your favorite store announcing, "Everything 40% off." People rush in, but when stocks go on sale, investors run away. Why? Because the sale is accompanied by scary headlines. The wealthy ask, has the long-term value changed? If value remains intact, lower prices become attractive. This mindset separates investors from speculators. Most people focus on the next week. The rich focus on the next decade. That's a huge difference. A recession may last months. A quality investment may compound for decades. Property markets often slow during downturns. For prepared investors, many real estate fortunes were built by purchasing during periods of economic weakness. Many successful entrepreneurs buy businesses during downturns. Struggling companies may sell for reduced valuations. Some of the biggest corporate empires expanded aggressively. During recessions, cash becomes incredibly valuable. The wealthy know that having cash during a downturn is like having ammunition during a battle. The average investor buys high and sells low. Exactly backwards. The rich train themselves to think differently. They focus on fundamentals, not headlines. Every major crisis felt permanent: the Great Depression, the dot-com crash, yet markets eventually recovered. History consistently rewards patience during recessions. Wealthy investors look for strong companies, healthy balance sheets. They aren't buying everything, they're buying quality at reduced prices. Buying during fear feels uncomfortable. Selling during panic feels natural. The wealthy understand that emotions can be expensive. Discipline becomes their advantage. Recessions are painful, but history reveals an important lesson for prepared investors. Downturns often create extraordinary opportunities. The next recession will arrive someday. Will you react like the crowd, or prepare like the investors who understand wealth is built when others are afraid? Because when everyone panics, the rich go shopping.